Hello everyone, Goat Zone here. I wanted to talk about this article right here. Bill Maher calls out Bernie Sanders, says he's tired of hearing the rich don't pay their fair share of taxes. The comedian pointed to government-funded programs like Social Security, Medicare, and SNAP during his new rules segment. Comedian Bill Maher called out Bernie Sanders and other Democratic socialists during Friday's episode of Real Time, pointing to the steep amount he was forced to pay in taxes, while saying he's tired of hearing the rich don't pay their fair share. Last week was tax day. I paid the government if you add in state tax, local sales, property fees, and Obamacare, probably almost 60% of what I earn. That's a lot, and I still wouldn't mind if Bernie Sanders would stop saying the rich don't pay their taxes, Maher said, kicking off his new rule segment. Well, I'm sure the super rich with their army of accountants and corporate loopholes get away with murder. Us regular rich people pay a shit ton of taxes. Fox News digital reach out to Senator Sanders' office, but none of your speech requests. Okay, so I wanted to talk about this. The problem with what Bill Barr is saying is that he earns a salary. You can look this up. Salary. Right here. Bill Maher's reported annual salary for each of these real time. Bill Maher is approximately $10 million. So he's earning a salary, an annual salary of $10 million, which is subject to income tax. So he has to pay a lot because the income tax is is higher than corporate than capital gains tax. The reason why people say the rich don't pay their fair share is because they pay a lot of them. Yeah, they don't make a salary, but instead their money is all tied up in stocks. So they pay capital gains tax, which is lower than the income tax. That is why people say the rich don't pay their fair share, is because they find the loophole and they exploit that. So I just wanted to point out why Bill was not correct. That is all.